Tatlong numero lang ang kailangan para manalo ng exciting prizes dito sa 3D Lotto game. Sa game na ito, pag nag-match ang 3 numbers na napili mo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order, panalo ka ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play. At kung naglaro at nanalo by the Rambolito system play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos ang premyo mo. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 9. The second number is 1. And the third number is 6. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning numbers are 9, 1, and 6 in exact order. At sa huling game ngayong gabi, lucky 2 numbers mo na kaya ang mapipili? Let's find out as we now play the 2D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 2D Lotto, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa winning combination in exact order. And if you win by the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang take-home ninyo. Reminder to our Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number we have 15. And the second number is 1. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 15 and 1 in exact